Narito po tayo ngayon kasama natin ang President at Vice President ng Edmonton Boholano Cultural Association. At ipapakilala ko po sila sa inyo dito sa ating page sa Pogi ng Canada. Ano po ang name niyo?
Joseph Lagitaw.
Kayo po.
And I'm Raymond Gamad.
So, ano po yung mga activity na ginagawa ng Boholano Association dito sa Edmonton?
Actually, we have annual activities. One of that are we have a sports fest to be held this coming sometimes in August. And then aside from that, we are also celebrating fiestas. We are also celebrating Christmas parties. So those are like activities that our association is having so far.
So, ano po yung halimbawa po may mga Boholano na makakita nito habang nanonood sila. Ano po yung para makapag-reach out sila sa inyo? Meron po ba kayong Facebook page?
Okay, for those Boholanos who live here in Edmonton who are not yet member of the Edmonton Boholano Cultural Association, if you know someone or we will give you our number later, you can reach out because we are handling handed registration form to be filled up by you, and then we are collecting like $10 for the membership fee, and then from there your information will be written on that form so that we can in touch each other easily. Sa paban.
So, yun po yung kapag gusto nilang mag-member dito, sumali sa meron siyang membership na only $10 lang naman para sa registration. And then para kayo ay para magkasama-sama, magkakilala dito sa ang mga Boholano dito.
So far, we are more than 200 members of Edmonton Boholano Cultural Association. If you wish to join us, then you can celebrate with us with our fiestas or Christmas activities that the Boholano Association is conducting.
So yes, maganda po yung gano'n na yung association natin dito is intact at sama-sama. Kaya narito po ako, kaya po ako nag-interview gawa ng tinutulungan ko rin po yung mga association, yung mga groups na mag-gather nila yung kanilang mga kumbaga sa what do you call that, mga kababayan na magkasama-sama. Halimbawa, like for example, yung nung nakaraan ang na-feature ko sa mga Batanggenyo. So may mga Batanggenyo din naman na nag-follow dun sa page nila. So yung meron po ba kayong Facebook page para mas madali nating
Yung Facebook page namin hindi masyadong na-activate because we are only asking those who wish to be a member of the Edmonton Boholano Association through our friends or our fellow Boholanos who knows whose Boholanons are not yet member of our association. So yes, so our fan page or Facebook page is not yet activated. So yeah.
So yun lang po. Maraming salamat po. Meron po ba sila na number na pwedeng tawagan kung sakasakali?
Mayroon kaming number pero sa namin mayroon kaming website EBCA, Edmonton Boholano Cultural Association. Mana yung website EBCA. So if you read the number, mayroon kaming number pero just contact us, me, Joseph Lagitaw, 780-884-7334. That's my number.
So maraming salamat po sa inyo. And then,
Or you can contact me also, Raymond Gamad, cell number 780-729-9352. So, kinsa to mga bulanon? Ali na ta. Join na.
Thank you very much.
maraming salamat din po.
Buksan mo,
Sila po. God bless po.
papasukin ako, bulaklak para sa'yo.